Finally did it. A substantial size piece of gold. I'm in awe. It is so beautiful. I just can't believe the deal I got on this. It's what the I bought this trinket at the LCS just for a little bit of fun. I just wanted to dream a little bit. Imagine that I had a 1-ounce gold coin. Although it does not give me the satisfaction of holding a 1-ounce gold coin, it does make me think. It makes me think of fake things, hollow things. It also makes me think, why couldn't I get $1,700 for this? What, because it's not genuine? It looks pretty good. It looks real. But it's not real. This is just a representation. A representation of 1 ounce of gold. Everyone else uses representations as money. But I could never get anybody to agree to accept a fake gold coin as 1 ounce of gold. Well, maybe I could, but it's not really ethical. So what? Who cares about ethics? Well, I don't want to get shot, so I care about ethics. Maybe if I scale the agenda upwards and just get a whole bunch of these and sell them for the price of 1 ounce of gold and form my own militia, I could stop disgruntled customers from raining on my parade. I could even grow my militia into an army with this much money, and we could even stop others from giving others problems when they try to use my money. Everyone will have to accept my money. Yeah, that's quite a thing that I have to enforce. So where should I start? Oh, I know. I'll start with the major commodities. I will send my army to where those commodities are produced, and I will make sure the merchants accept it. What could go wrong? It's a great plan.